Hello, I'm in a 2015 Nissan Altima, and today I'm going to show you how to check your oil level. So with the hood open, we'll walk around here so you get to your dipstick. This was what you'll pull out. And then at this point you typically take a rag, wipe this all the way clean, and be sure to do all this while the motor is off, just to be clear. You don't want the car running while doing this. So we'll stick it in. So you'd stick it back in, pull it back out, and then after you've done that clean, you'll see how far up the liquid is between these two dots. You see these two little circles. If it's closer to the lower circle on the left, you're running low on coolant, and for sure if it's like barely on this dipstick at all, you'll want to add some. And you always want to make sure you're doing your regular oil changes, especially as cars get to higher mileage. Sometimes they'll burn through oil a little quicker. But say you just need to top it off. Now we'll go here, all with the engine off. You can twist this cap to open it up, and then with your little quart thing, you can pour directly in there, funnel if needed, but you can just, as long as you're careful, pour straight in the hole. You don't want to overfill, so just do limited as is needed. And then screw this cap back on, and then same process again after, I would say, run the motor for like a minute or two, just so that new oil can circulate through the system. But then again, pull this out, wipe it clean, stick it in, pull it out, and see what level you're looking at. And if you're doing a full oil change, typically you'd put the whole car on some sort of lift slightly so you can get underneath and loosen up the cap on the oil pan, so you can drain out the old oil, put in a new oil filter, and then same process, then fill from the top. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.